This of course did not turn out to be true, and the same situation is likely in store for Pepe. The hard truth is coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu were on the decline anyway before Pepe came along. The rebirth of the meme coin with no utility turned out to be fantastic for a lot of investors, but the key lesson we have learned is you have to know when to get out of these projects. My name is Quechual and I help teach people about money, personal finance, and investing. If you're interested in improving your financial future, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if this video is helpful. We think the Pepe craze might be coming to an end, but that doesn't mean you can't find the next meme coin that will pump just like it. We think there are two current candidates on the market that are ready to take the meme coin throne. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Happy Friday. We have some bullish Pepe news coming for you today. As many believe, a breakout is confirmed. They're comparing the Pepe chart, which is the most famous meme point in 2023, to the Shiba Inu chart of 2021. And why many do believe an all-time high is incoming. But first off, guys, happy June 9th day. Pepe always with it with memes. Good morning and happy June 9th. Huge news here, guys, that not a lot of people are talking about. Pepe started less than 2 months ago and just hit 300,000 plus followers on Twitter. All organic, all real followers. Salute to the Pepe army, guys, and congrats on 300k. But like I said, Pepe is up 7% on the day. It was just up 7% of the day, sitting at a $488.96, almost $489 million market. Now, like I said, a lot of people do believe a Pepe breakout is imminent, and the reason why, when you're looking at this chart, guys, obviously launched on April 19th, shot up to a $1.6 billion markup, has been consolidating since there. But if you've been in the meme point space, a lot of meme points are down 90 to 95%. Not Pepe, guys. Pepe is holding strong at a $400 million market, anywhere from $400 million to $600 million, which is incredibly bullish. Now I'm gonna pull up the Shiba Inu chart in just a second, guys, but you have to look at this since May 13th. So almost about a month now, Pepe has been consolidating in this range. And why are consolidations bullish? Well, certain people are selling, but it's giving other people a chance to buy in. When you're looking at this long consolidation period, guys, the longer a token consolidates, the more people have a chance to enter, and the better chance it has to shoot up and go parabolic when the markets do correct. As alleged, Zhao and Binance misled investors about their risk controls and corrupted trading volumes while actively concealing who was operating the platform, the manipulative trading of its affiliated market maker, and even where and with whom investor funds and crypto assets were custodied. Attempted to evade U.S. securities laws by announcing sham controls that they disregarded behind the scenes so that they could keep high-value U.S. customers on their platforms. The public should beware of investing any of their hard-earned assets with or on these unlawful platforms. Binance is not alone in the firing line. Not even a day after the news broke out about Binance's lawsuit, the SEC announced it was also going to be suing Coinbase too. The crypto asset trading platform was accused of being an unregistered national securities exchange, broker, and clearing agency. Coinbase was also charged for failing to register the offer and sale of its crypto asset staking as a service program. The SEC's complaint, filed in U.S. District Court for the Southern District of New York, alleges that Coinbase and CGI violated certain registration provisions of the Securities Exchange Act of 1934. Furthermore, it suggests Coinbase violated the securities offering registration provisions of the Securities Act of 1933. The complaint seeks injunctive relief, disgorgement of ill-gotten gains plus interest, penalties, and other equitable relief. The public should beware of investing any of their hard-earned assets with or on these unlawful platforms. Gary Gensler: 5 things to know in crypto next week. SEC v. Ripple and Hinman Docs. It is a big week ahead for the crypto market. While the US CPI report and the Fed will influence, there could be a twist in the SEC v. Ripple case. It is a busy week ahead on the US economic calendar, with US inflation, the Fed interest rate decision, and FOMC projections in the spotlight. The SEC will release unredacted versions of the infamous William Hinman speech-related docs that could force a settlement. However, investors should also consider U.S. retail sales, Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, U.S. jobless claims, and Michigan consumer sentiment numbers in the second half of the week. With recessionary fears lingering, economic data from China will also need consideration. On Thursday, industrial production and retail sales figures will move the dial. This morning, the crypto market cap was down $87.8 billion, minus 7.93%, to $1,019 billion, with the SEC causing Binance US to morph into a crypto-only platform. XRP v SEC, William Hinman's speech docs out on June 13. On June 13, the SEC will release unredacted William Hinman speech-related documents. Since 2021, the SEC has attempted to shield the documents under the attorney-client privilege in at least 7 motions. However, the court denied the final SEC motion to seal the Hinman speech-related documents in mid-May. The unredacted speech-related documents could materially influence the SEC v. Ripple case outcome, which has been ongoing since December 2020. Significantly, the content could also pressure U.S. lawmakers to rein in the SEC and reassess its regulation by enforcement mantra that has snared numerous platforms and culminated in charges against Binance US, Binance COCZ, and Coinbase. Hints of an SEC Ripple settlement would be a boon for XRP and the broader market. SEC activity, SEC v. Binance, and SEC v. Coinbase-related news will also move the dial. U.S. and China economic indicators. It is a big week ahead on the U.S. economic calendar, among the 5 things to know in crypto. The U.S. CPI report will garner plenty of interest on Tuesday. Sticky inflation would fuel bets on a more hawkish Fed interest rate trajectory to tame inflation. On Wednesday, wholesale inflation numbers will also move the dial before the Fed interest rate decision, the FOMC economic projections, and the Fed Chair Powell press conference. A surprise 25 basis point hike and a hawkish outlook would weigh. As reported, the top Ripple lawyer highlighted the SEC's bet on a strategy of shock and awe as it filed lawsuits against the 2 biggest exchanges, Binance and Coinbase. He added, "My money remains all in on the rule of law." June 13, important date. Later this week, the publicly redacted documents of former SEC official William Hinman as well as cross motions for summary judgment in the Ripple lawsuit are expected to be made available on June 13. In a 2018 speech, Hinman declared Ethereum not to be security. Expectations are growing as to what the Hinman documents may imply for the whole cryptocurrency sector as a result of the new lawsuits brought against Binance and Coinbase. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.